Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Walk English, where we make learning English easy and fun.
Hello, Bella. Hi, everybody. It's really great to be here today.
It's wonderful to see you too, Jimmy. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thanks. I've got my coffee, so I'm all set. How about you, Bella?
I'm fantastic. I'm really looking forward to today's topic.
Ooh, a new one. What are we getting into?
We are discussing something really crucial today. We're going to talk about the way we think.
The way we think? You mean like the ideas inside our minds?
Yes, precisely. There's a significant word for it: mindset.
Mindset. That sounds pretty major.
It does sound big, but the concept is actually very straightforward. Your mindset is just how you feel and what you believe about something.
Ah, okay. So, like thinking English is difficult. Is that a mindset?
Yes, that's a perfect example. Or English is fun. That's a mindset too.
I get it. So today we're discussing positive thinking for learning English.
Exactly. How to shift your thinking to change your life. It's incredibly powerful.
Wow, I'm ready. This sounds extremely helpful.
Me too. But hang on before we dive into the main topic.
Ah, yes, our quick request.
Yes, for everyone listening, if you're enjoying our podcast, please just take a moment and hit that like button.
Yes, please do. And if you're new here, welcome. We'd love it if you'd subscribe to Talk Walk English and maybe share this episode with a friend. If you know someone learning English, they might enjoy this conversation.
Yes, thanks a million. Your support means so much to us. Okay, so Jimmy, mindset, the way we think.
Right. You mentioned English is hard is one kind of mindset.
Yes, let's name that the stuck mindset.
Stuck. What do you mean by stuck?
Stuck is when you aren't able to move. You're fixed in one position.
Ah, yes. I feel stuck sometimes. I feel like my English just isn't improving.
Yes, that's the exact feeling. The stuck mindset tells you, I'm no good at this, or I'll never learn this.
Oh, yeah. Those are really unhappy thoughts.
They are. And when you think that way, you just want to quit.
Exactly. You want to give up learning. You feel awful.
So, this stuck mindset is really not good for us.
No. But there's a different one, right? A better one.
Yes, a much, much better one. We can call it the growing mindset.
A growing mindset. Like a plant. A plant grows.
Yes, that's a perfect image, Jimmy. A plant begins small and gets a little bigger every day.
Okay, I like that. A growing mindset. What does that one say?
The stuck mindset says, I am bad at this. And the growing mindset says, I am learning this.
Ah, I am bad versus I am learning.
Yes, it feels different, doesn't it?
Completely different. I am bad feels final, but I am learning feels hopeful.
Hopeful. That's a fantastic word. Yes, the growing mindset says, this is new to me, or this is challenging, but I can try. Yes, you've got it exactly, Jimmy.
I'm trying. So the first step is just to notice our thoughts.
Yes. Are your thoughts stuck or are they growing?
Okay. But Bella, how do I actually change them? If I feel I am bad, how do I stop thinking that?
That is the $1,000,000 question. I have a magic word for you.
A magic word? I love magic.
It's a very tiny word. The word is yet.
Yet. Ye-e-t.
That's right. Yet.
Hmm. I know that word. It means something like not right now, but maybe in the future.
Exactly. It means for the time being. It's a word full of hope.
Okay. So how do I use this magic word?
All right. So let's take a stuck thought. For instance, I don't understand.
Oh, yeah. I think that during every single English movie. I don't understand.
Me too. Now just add that magic word to the end.
I do not understand yet.
Yes. How does that feel?
Wow. That feels completely different.
Right?
I do not understand means I'm lost. Stop the movie.
Yes.
But I do not understand yet means I just need more time. Maybe tomorrow I'll get it.
Yes. It means you're still on the journey. You are growing.
Okay, let's try another. How about I can't speak English fluently?
Ooh, that's a big one. Okay. I cannot speak English fluently yet.
Yes, perfect. This is fun. It's true. I am learning. I'm not fluent yet.
But you will be, or you'll keep getting better. The yet opens that door to the future.
It just takes that sad feeling away.
It really does. It transforms a stuck thought into a growing thought.
This is a fantastic tip, Bella. The magic word, yet. I'll remember that.
Good. Okay, so that's tip number 1. Now, let's talk about something else.
What?
Let's talk about mistakes.
Ugh, mistakes. I hate making mistakes.
I know everybody hates them. When you make a mistake, how does it make you feel?
I feel stupid. I feel embarrassed. I just feel bad.
Yes, me too. We all feel that way. This is the stuck mindset popping up again.
Oh. So, what does the growing mindset think about mistakes?
The growing mindset loves mistakes.
What? Loves mistakes? Bella, no, that's crazy. Mistakes are bad.
No, listen. Think about a little child, a baby.
Okay, a baby.
Think about a baby who is learning to walk.
Oh, yes. My little cousin Mia, she's 1 year old and she's learning to walk right now.
Is she good at it? Does she walk perfectly?
No, she's terrible at it. She stands up and boom, she falls right over.
Yes, she falls constantly.
All the time.
Now, Jimmy, when Mia falls, what do you say to her?
Oh, we just laugh and say, "Good job, Mia. Try again. You can do it."
Exactly. Do you say, Mia, you're stupid. You are bad at walking. Just stop trying.
No, never. That's awful.
Of course, because why did she fall? Because she is learning.
Yes. The fall is part of the learning process. The mistake is how she learns. Ah, I see. When she falls, her brain is learning. Oh, okay, that didn't work. I need to try something different.
Yes. You've got it.
So, learning English is like learning to walk.
It is exactly the same. When you make a mistake in English,
I'm not stupid.
no, you are learning.
I'm just falling.
Yes, you're falling, and that's okay. A mistake isn't bad. A mistake is just information.
Information.
Yes, your brain says, oh, that word wasn't quite right. Okay, I'll try a different word. Good job, Jimmy. Try again.
Yes. You have to be a good friend to yourself. When you make a mistake, just say, It's okay. I'm learning. I'm just like baby Mia.
I love that so much. Mistakes are our friends.
Yes, they just show us that we are trying, and trying is the most important part.
Wow, okay. My mindset is already changing.
Good. So I have the magic word yet, and mistakes are my friends. But Bella, it's still a lot of work. Learning English is a huge, huge job.
It is. It's like a very tall mountain.
Yes, and I'm at the bottom. I look all the way up to the top and I just feel tired already.
Ah, yes. That is a big problem. So, my next tip
Yes?
is don't look at the top of the mountain.
What? But that's the goal.
It is, but it's too big. It makes you feel small. Don't look at the top. Just look down at your feet.
My feet?
Yes. Look at the very next step. Just one single small step.
I don't understand.
Okay, don't say, I have to learn all of English today.
Impossible.
Yes. Don't say, I must study for 5 hours. That's too big.
Yeah, I'm too busy for that.
Instead, just say, today I will learn 2 new words.
2 words. Just 2?
Yes, 2 words is perfect.
I can do that. Dog and cat.
Good job. Or say, today I will listen to 1 English song.
1 song. That's easy. That's only 3 minutes.
Yes. Or today I will watch 1 Talk Walk English podcast episode.
A very good idea.
Yes. Small steps every single day. This is how you change your life.
You know, this reminds me of a little story.
Ooh, a story. Tell me.
There was a man. He wanted to build a very big, beautiful, long wall.
Okay, a big wall.
He looked at the huge, empty space. He thought, I can never build this wall. It's just too much work. And he was very sad.
Oh no, the stuck mindset.
Yes, but then his wise old friend came by,
Hello, wise friend.
and the friend said, You are right. You cannot build this big wall.
What? That's not very helpful.
The friend said, Don't try to build a wall.
But I want the wall.
The friend said, Just look at this one brick.
1 brick.
Yes, your job today is not to build a wall. Your job today is to lay 1 brick perfectly.
Just 1 brick.
Yes. So the man did it. He laid 1 brick. It was perfect.
And the next day?
He laid 1 more brick perfectly.
And the next day?
1 more brick.
And after many, many days?
He had his big, beautiful, long wall.
Jimmy, that is a perfect story.
He didn't build a wall. He just laid 1 brick every day.
So our 2 new words, that's our 1 brick.
Yes, our 1 song, that's our 1 brick.
Wow, we aren't learning English today. We are just laying 1 brick.
Yes, and soon we'll look back and see a beautiful wall.
Jimmy, I feel so motivated right now.
Me too.
I want to go lay a brick.
Yes, this is the growing mindset. It's not about being perfect today. It's about being just a little better than you were yesterday.
Yes, it's all about the journey.
Wow, Bella, this was a great chat.
It really was. And look at the time. It just flew by.
Time flies when you're laying bricks.
Yes. So let's quickly recap our 3 big ideas for a growing mindset.
Okay, idea number 1. Change your stuck thoughts into growing thoughts.
Yes, I am bad is stuck. I am learning is growing.
Idea number 2. Use the magic word yet. I am not good yet.
I love that one.
Me too. And idea number 3. Mistakes are our friends.
They're just like falling down when we learn to walk. It's okay.
Yes. And our bonus idea.
Don't build the wall. Just lay one brick. Take one small step every day. That was great, Jimmy. Thank you.
Thank you, Bella. And thank you, everyone, for listening to us.
Yes, thank you so much. We really hope this helps you feel good about learning English.
We do. And please, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Talk Walk English.
And please give this video a like. It truly helps other learners discover our podcast.
And we have a question for you.
Ooh, yes. In the comments below, please tell us.
What is your one brick for today?
Oh, I love that question.
Yes. What one small English task will you do today?
Maybe you'll write one comment in English. That is a perfect brick.
Yes. We love reading your comments.
We really do. Thank you all so much for listening.
Yes. Thank you. See you next time, Bella.
Bye, Jimmy. Bye, everyone.